guys, so I want to talk to you about what is next, obviously, for the Corsa. Now, there's a few bits and bobs that I want to do to the car. It's pretty much nearly how I want it to look. There's a few more videos that you guys haven't seen yet, obviously. They will be coming, so don't worry about that. There is an intercooler going on the car. There is a stage 2 clutch going on the car. Now, for me, I don't know if I want to put more power in it, just because of the fact of not being able to trust it. Now, obviously, the power I've got at the minute is nice, but you know, there's always more, always more. So it's one of them videos where I want your guys' opinion. Obviously, you guys know my dream if you've been here from the beginning. My dream is to do a Supra Mark IV build, Fast and Furious, the orange Supra, in the first one. Now, if somebody was to offer me that car today, now, tomorrow, at a decent price, I would consider selling this car and going to fetch it. Now, ideally, I want to keep this car just for nostalgia's sake, you know, because obviously the channel has been, you know, it's been an icon for the channel. It's where I've got, you know, it's how I've got you guys to watch me, and I don't understand how I've done that. I don't know if you watch it for me or if you watch it for the car. Either way, I am extremely grateful for that, and I will never stop thanking you guys for that. Like, obviously, the people who's bought stickers, the people who's supporting the channel, like, it's just unbelievable, like the amount of support you get just by doing something you enjoy. It's insane. It's heartwarming, to be fair, and I try and respond to you guys as much as possible on Instagram. I do have a full-time job. I am obviously trying to record content for you guys, trying to juggle my life around. I do have other bits going off as well as YouTube. So, you know, again, if I have not sent a reply to you, do resend me it, because after so long they do get deleted because I get so many in my inbox. Send me another one and I will try my best to reply to you as much as I can. I do like talking to you guys. I do like seeing you guys. So yeah, that is a thank you straight to you guys. But back to the subject in question is, do I put more power into the Corsa? Do I start putting the KO4s on? Do I start, obviously, changing the manifold and all that sort of stuff? Do I put more power into it? Do I make it a 400 horsepower car? Or do I put the money into this Project Supra, as we're going to call it? It's one of them things I want your guys' opinion on. Now, is this the end of the Corsa at this moment in time? No. Am I looking at other options? Of course I am, because obviously there's only so much you can do on these cars. There's only so much you can do on any car. Once a build is done, a build is done. Now, again, I won't call this a build. Well, it is a build, I suppose. But power-wise, I would like more in it, but again, it's if I trust it and if I want to spend that money on it. I mean, I can get around 400 horsepower and it'll cost me about 10 grand. For that, I can buy a Supra, so I'm kind of weighing up options. Do you see what I mean? So it's kind of like, what do you guys want to see? Do you guys prefer that, or do you prefer the Supra? So yeah, it's just basically a quick video to speak to you guys. And it's a massive thank you to you that supported me from the beginning. Content was slow. Content is now back. I have quite a few videos already pre-recorded. For example, there's a couple of general car questions, like my recent video that's just gone up. Obviously, things to look out for when you're buying a car. There's certain things like that. That is content to fill in gaps when I'm not doing it on my car, because obviously you guys need to understand as well that when you're modifying your cars, it's all about money, money, money. So when you have a daily life, when you're obviously living and such, obviously not everything can go to money on the car. So yeah, I hope you guys understand that, and there will be a mud flaps install video coming up soon as well. I will be showing you how to do it. I'll be showing you how we've done it. These are universal rally mud flaps, so look out for that one as well. So any questions from you guys, any comments, I'd love to hear it from you. If you've got my sticker on your car, if you've got anything related to me, anything you want to show me your car, tag me on Instagram. You know, Instagram was at the beginning of this video, so just tag me on it, and you know, I like to see that sort of stuff. I like to see what you guys obviously are doing. I'm always showing you what I'm doing, but I'm never seeing what you guys are doing. I do try and get around through things, like I said, but it is hard. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, guys, and let me know what you're thinking, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.